Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher, and I created a new video to show you how to make a paper craft called Papel Picado. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step art lessons. Now here's an easy way to make this Mexican craft that keeps this colorful look, but is easy for students of all ages to enjoy. Papel Picado banners have traditionally been created from sheets of tissue paper. Some artists have actually been perfecting the skill for years. The only catch is that material creates a lot of prep work for classroom teachers and lots of guesswork for students. My solution? Use colorful sheets of copy paper like this instead. You still get the same look, and it's so much easier for everyone to work with. Let me show you how I made mine. First, the materials you need for this project are colorful 24-pound copy paper, scissors, string, and tape. A printer or copy machine is not pictured here, but is needed to get a template on that paper. Start by printing my Papel Picado template on all the papers you'd like to use. Working with a ream of paper will let you easily choose your own palette. Note that the dashed lines on the template are for folding, and the solid lines are for cutting. Rather than just folding and cutting lines randomly, I recommend starting in the center and then working to the outside. That means the first fold should be in the center, like this one. Now, cut the bottom scallop while the paper is still folded. Next, start cutting the shapes on the fold, carefully moving the paper around so you can stay on those solid lines. Don't worry if some of the lines still show. The printed side is eventually going to become the back side, so no one will see them. Open the paper and make a fold on the second dashed line to the left. Carefully smooth it so it lays nice and flat while you cut. Now, carefully cut the shapes on the solid lines again, moving the paper around as you work. When you are done, open it up and smooth it out to see your progress. Next, pick up the paper and fold it along the third dashed line. Make creases along the line and smooth it when you are done. Carefully cut out the shapes on the solid lines. Again, you will need to move your paper around so you can see them as you work. When you are done, open and smooth the paper. You're almost done with one side. Now take the paper and fold on the fourth or the last dashed line to the left. Crease it carefully and smooth it so it lays nice and flat. Carefully cut out all the shapes on the solid line. Hold the paper gently while you do this last row. And when you're done, open it up and smooth the fold lines. Okay, you're halfway done. Next, repeat all the previous folding and cutting steps for the right side of the paper, working from the center out. Open and smooth the folds when you are done. To make room for a string, make creases along the line and then fold down so the printed line is on the inside. You want the back side to be the one that has the template on it, so the front is nice and clean. To finish this Papel Picado panel, turn it over and place a length of string inside the fold. Now tape the folded edge closed with Scotch tape. Add more panels if you wish, and then have fun decorating. I really like how this project shows students how to cut out all these pretty shapes like scallops, hearts, and diamonds, but makes it easier for teachers to do too. After all, the goal is to have a colorful banner made from some pretty hand-cut paper, right? This is just a much easier route to get there. Hey, thanks for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial video. I have even more tutorial videos like this one on my website, Arch Projects for Kids, including how to draw a Day of the Dead skull. I hope you check it out too, and I'll see you next time.